And for the eyes I'm using for the under eyes I'm using this face. So attractive. So for the eyes I'm using Revlon's Creme eyeshadow. If I don't drop it and break it. Make a highlight mustache. Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I created this cool toned purple and pink look for you. I hope you will enjoy. I'm going to start with hydrating primer. Now I'm just using a light foundation with a sponge. And for the under eyes, I'm using a light reflective pen. This face. So attractive. I'm going to wait a bit and see how the concealer sets on top of my foundation and if I need to set it with powder, but for now I'm not going to do that. For the eyes I'm using Revlon's Creme eyeshadow. You can use this with fingers, but I like using a brush. Makes me feel legit, like I'm an artist. I'm going to take this quite high because I have hooded eyes. If I just leave it on my lid, if I open my eyes you can't see it. I'm also using this underneath, right into the inner corner as well. Yes, this is outer corner, but yeah, right into the inner corner as well. Just going to use my finger to pat as well around, just to soften the edge. There's a purple panda eye. Now I'm going to use purple eyeliner on the top. It's going to just be smoked out. I want it to be a little smoky, so I'm not going to be precise with this liner. I think those two colors blend really well together, so I just don't want to have a line that's too harsh. But I'm going to add it to the outer corner and also push it in a little bit. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now whenever you're not applying false lashes, it's a good idea to give your lashes a really good curl. Just from all directions. I know it looks horrifying, but it's really not, I promise. And then with your mascara wand, you want to do the same thing, just lift a little bit, apply mascara onto the eye, and then start to brush it through. This way you're getting much more mascara onto the lashes, and it's easier to get a full effect. The same applies to the outer corner. If you want to reach those, just apply the mascara first and then brush it through. And so like this, every single lash is coated, and you can do 2 coats if you want. My natural lashes aren't so great, so the effect is still underwhelming, but oh well, what can I do? I cannot add false lashes, but I don't wanna. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to use the Brow Artiste, the powder, and maybe the pencil. I think the eyes, even though they're nice and soft, they're quite a statement. So don't really need my eyebrows to be another statement. Now see, this would be enough if my eyebrow wouldn't be so skinny here. I'm using some gel as well, just to soften these a little bit. I'm going to add blush now, and I'm using this pot of jelly. It's a very cool toned pink. I'm going to use only a little bit, so the way I'm doing it, I'm taking it out on my hand and just picking up with a sponge and adding to my cheek. This way it can be very subtle, and you won't add accidentally too much. For highlighter, I'm using an old favorite, and I'm using the same technique with putting it on my hand and just picking up with a sponge. I added this to quite a large area of my cheek, and I really want to press it in just so it's blended beautifully into the blush. And I will add it as well to the nose and Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use the KKW Beauty contour. It's also a cool toned contour, and I'm using a big brush and just brushing this onto the hollow of the cheek. Not too much, just to add a shadow there. And for the lips, I'm using a cool toned pink. So I used it as a stain because otherwise it was way too saturated and it was clashing too much with the purple. But I think this soft pink lip is actually really cute with this look. I don't know, what do you guys think? And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, and I will see you next time.